Hey guys, Shifter Reviews here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over the Chime banking bonus. A lot of people are missing out on completely free money, and honestly it makes me really sad. So I wanted to come on here and make this informative video on how exactly you could claim this free $100 for yourselves. But if you guys are new to the channel, I highly recommend subscribing and liking the video because it would be greatly appreciated because we are growing pretty fast. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive right into it. In order to get this completely free money, all you have to do is click the link down in the description below and make a brand new Chime account. It has to be a brand new account. I don't think this works for old ones, so keep that in mind. But all you have to do is download the Chime app, which you can find in the Google Play Store or the App Store. I have it for the App Store, and let's go ahead and check it out. Once you have the Chime app installed, it's honestly really simple. You just have to go ahead and open up a checking account, which I believe it automatically does when you sign up for Chime. You're going to have to receive the physical debit card, which is 100% free. And lastly but not least, all you got to do is receive a $200 direct deposit within 45 days of opening this checking account. As you guys know, receiving $200 is super easy, especially if you just put in 2 days of work at your job. Anybody can do this. Receive one direct deposit and $100 will be deposited into your account. As you can see, I have made already a little bit of money with Chime, so pretty much anybody can do it. And I wanted to come on here and literally just show you how to get this free money. Anybody can do it. It's really that simple. If you're not convinced to sign up for Chime, they also do offer a $200 spot me, which means you can overdraft your account up to $200, which can be a very helpful feature, especially if you are in a pickle. This is actually a very nice feature since some banks do not offer that, and I do recommend tapping in with Chime. Another thing that you can do with Chime is also have people sign up for it and you can make $200. This is pretty much affiliate marketing. They want people to go ahead and sign up for their app, and it's very hard to go ahead and get people to sign up for banks. So this is why the referral bonus is so high. It's going to be around $200 for one referred user, which is honestly pretty crazy when you think about it. But these users are going to be paying them over and over again. Banks just keep making money just like that, and I highly recommend, if you guys haven't already, take a look at the $200 sign up bonus that you get when people sign up using your link, because you can literally make money. I believe you can make up to $2,000 just by doing this. It's really simple. All you have to do is invite 10 of your friends. It is pretty difficult, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but you can make some decent money doing this, and it's pretty much passive. I also want to put you onto some other money making methods, such as the app called Adapole. You can find this in the Google Play and App Store. As you can see, I have the app right here, and we're going to open it up, and as you can see, I have made over $200, which is kind of crazy. All I got to do is withdraw this to all these different options. They have Home Depot gift cards, they have Uber Eats, you guys name it, it is going to be on here. So this is pretty much the app for you, but I highly recommend using PayPal because you can use this money anywhere in places such as Home Depot, Uber Eats, Lowe's. All these places are going to be accepting PayPal on their website anyways, so it's pretty much a versatile tool. When you guys sign up for the app, I do recommend using the code dbfcm for a free 50 cents. This is pretty much how a lot of people are getting their start on this app. They put in the referral code, you get free money, and you can cash it out as soon as you get around $3, which isn't hard at all. As you guys can see, some of these surveys are paying about $1 a piece, which is kind of crazy. They don't take long at all, and you can make some decent money. They also do have some games that you can play to go ahead and get paid, and honestly, I never heard of this before. You pretty much would have to be a Twitch streamer to get paid to play games, which is a really nice incentive, so I highly recommend tapping into these. I do want to be 100% transparent with you guys, since I do value that on this channel, that these games can take a little bit to go ahead and cash out. They may take a few hours to go ahead and get you paid, and you got to go ahead and play for a little bit, so keep that in mind. It's not instant money, but this $100 will be yours probably in a couple of days, but it does take time. But if you have some time to actually spare, you can make a decent amount of money just for playing games on your phone. But anyways guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and were able to go ahead and claim your Chime banking bonus. Again, like I said in the intro, this is 100% free money, and all you have to do is sign up for it and claim it. It's really that simple. I'll see you guys next time in the next video.